Tēnā tātou katoa e te whānau. This year on the 20th of June, we will be holding a Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei special general meeting at Ōrākei Marae. You may remember the special general meeting held online last year. It was a great success for us because it was held online, and we want to thank all whānau who tuned in and also those who voted. This year we want to take another look at raising the LVR, the loan to value ratio for Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei. A single resolution regarding the LVR will be shared with you, our whānau, and put to the vote. Whānau, I encourage you to learn as much as you can about this kaupapa so that you can make an informed decision on your vote. And please, we need your vote. In the lead up to the special general meeting, we will share with you as much information as we can by holding workshops, wānanga, meeting with whānau, our taumata kaumātua, so that we can ensure that you are able to make that decision and your vote will be counted. We, the Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei Trust, fully support the raising of our LVR. We know that in doing this, we'll be able to do many more things and allow our whānau to aspire with many more opportunities. This will really help not only our whānau hapu but our iwi. Kia rere arorangi tātou katoa. I look forward to sharing with you more information around the special general meeting coming up over the next few weeks and around the information on the loan to value ratio resolution. Ngā manaakitanga nui kia koutou katoa, hei kona.